Is Discord stuck on checking for updates forever? In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue quickly. Let's jump in. Then check if the problem is fixed. Press Windows plus R keys together on the keyboard, type ncpa.cpl in the Run dialog box, and press Enter. Then it will list all the internet connections. Right-click on the internet connection you are using and select Properties. Scroll down to find Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4 option, double-click on it and check the option Use the following DNS server addresses. Then change the DNS server addresses to the following addresses. Find the Discord program icon on your desktop. Right-click and select Properties. And switch to the Compatibility tab. Then enable Run this program as administrator. Change the compatibility mode to another version of Windows.